Hi dear students and viewers, welcome back to our channel and Vinay Kumar Basics of Physics. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the one of the important model, that is finding the center of mass of an equilateral triangle. So children, this was asked so many times in our intermediate public examination, and this type of question is very important for competitive exams like MSET, NEET, IIT. That's why you have to watch the video up to last without any skip. So children, the problem should be like this. What it is problem? Find the center of mass of three particles at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. The masses of the particles are 100 grams, 150 grams, 200 grams respectively. Each side of the equilateral triangle is 0.5 meters. So children, so what you are saying that there are three particles. Those particles are where? At the vertices of three vertices of a triangle. Now we have to find out the center of mass of those particles. He was given only one clue is the side of the equilateral triangle is 0.5 meters. So children, here this is the one xy plane. Here this is the one particle is there, and there is another particle here, and it is there. So if you can join them, we will get one equilateral triangle. What we get? One equilateral triangle. So this is the first particle of mass m1, and here this is the second particle of mass m2, and this is the third particle at the m3. So children, here it is now origin. What it is? Origin. So this is the origin, and this is the point I am saying A, and this is the point B we are saying now. Now we want to find out the center of mass of those particles. That means indirectly we are finding the center of mass of the equilateral triangle. So here in this case we have to use the formula is, that is, here center of mass can be represented by like this xcm comma ycm, because it is in the plane of xy. We have to find out. Again, what it is? xcm formula is what? As usual, m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. And similarly, we can write ycm is equals to m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So dear students, now here at the particular origin we have condition is like this x1 y1. Here the coordinate is x2 y2. Here it is x3 y3. Now first you have to understand the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Clear children? So here this is the origin x1 y1. It is the origin. That's why x value is 0, y1 value also 0. And the particle is at this point A. What he was given? He was given that one side, each side what is 0.5 meters. 0.5 meters. This is also 0.5 meters. This is also 0.5 meters. That's why here OA is nothing but x2, that's value is what? 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. And y2, this point is on the x-axis, that's why y2 value should be taken as 0. Clear? So 0.5 and it is 0. Now at the third particle m3, where it is B, at this position we have to find out the value like this. So this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. What you are saying, given that this total is 0.5, at the midpoint means what? This is the 0.25 and this is the 0.25. That's why for M3 x3 value is 0.25, 0.25, and now this is the y3 value. This is the y3 value. So now how we can find out the y3? So for that, one general phenomena it is there. Let's very simple. Let us discuss. To get the y3 value, simply you can take any equilateral triangle, the phenomena is same. For example, this is the one equilateral triangle that is having each side is A. Clear? Now it is like this. So this total is A. Now half we divided it. This is A by 2 and this is also A by 2. Now we want to find out this value. We want to find out this value. This value is, I am saying, x. So what we know, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square we know. So it is right angle triangle. That's why here hypotenuse is what? A square is equals to, one side is A by 2 whole square and next side is what? X square. From that what, right? X square is equals to what, right? A square minus A by 2 whole square. That means x square is equals to A square minus A square by 4. If you can do LCM, what we get? 4A square minus A square is equals to 3A square by 4. 3A square by 4. From that what, children? X square is equals to 3A square by 4 we will get. Then x is what? We will apply root. Then what we get? Root 3 into A by 2. So x value is what? Root 3 by 2 into A. What is A? A is the side of the equilateral triangle. That's why here simply I am writing now here, this is what? Center of mass, and now this is the total value is what I am saying, some x. X is equals to what? Root 3 by 2 into A. A means what? 0.5 here, 0.5. So y3 is equals to root 3 by 2 into A value is what? Side of the triangle. So 0.5. Then what you get? So root 3 into 0.25. So now y3 value is what? 0.25 root 3. Clear? Root 3 by 2A. Root 3 by 2 into A value is what? 0.5. 2 ones are 0.25 are, yes. That's what you get. Y3 value is 0.25 root 3. So now we know about the x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 values are there. Already was given m1, m2, m3 values was given already. By substituting all those values in those formulas, we will get the center of mass of that particular triangle. Okay, let's go for that. Now we are going to the solution by a direct formula. Here what was given? M1 is equals to 100 grams and M2 is equals to 150 grams and M3 is equals to 200 grams, and the position of the particle M1 is given by the x1, y1. What it is? 0, 0. Clear? And the position of M2 is given by the coordinate x2, y2. That is what? 0.5, 0. And similarly the third particle is given by the coordinate x3, y3. That is what? 0.25 and 0.25 root 3. Clear? So now we can go for the formula. What you have to find out, children? Center of mass. It is in the plane of xy. That's why center of mass is what? Xcm comma ycm is what? So just now only we discussed xcm is what? m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So xcm, substitute the values. Children, here the length is given in terms of meters and the masses are given in terms of grams, CGS. So no need to convert it to the kgs because it is a ratio. That's why units are going to be cancelled. That's why no need of any conversions. So for masses, okay, m1 is what? 100 grams into x1. x1 value is what? 0 plus m2 value is what? 150 into x2. x2 value is what? 0.5 plus m3 200 of x3 value is what? 0.25 by m1 value is what? 100 plus 150 plus 200. So 100 into 0, 0. 150 into 0.5. How we can write? 15 into 5. 10 into 0.5? Yes. Plus, this is like 200 into 100 into 20, 0.25. That means what? It becomes 25. Clear? So, simply I am going to write this is nothing but here 2 into 25 by 100 plus 150, 250. 250 plus 200, 450. Clear? Then what do you get? 15 5s are 75. 75 plus S 25 are 50 by 450. Clear? Then what do you get, children, here? What do you get? 75 50 125 by 450. 450, children. So 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 9s are. Clear? So 5 5s are 5 18s are. So 5 by 18. So XCF is what? 5 by 18. So in the same manner we have to find out the YCM. So children, so already you have idea about this one. That's why I am erasing this one. Again as usual, YCM formula is what? M1 Y1 plus M2 Y2 plus M3 Y3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Then YCM is equals to M1 is what, children? 100 and Y1 is what, children? 0 plus M2 value is what? 150 into Y2 value is what? 0 plus 200 into Y3 value is what, children? S 0.25 into root 3 by, again same, M1 means what? 100 plus 150 plus 200. So YCM is equals to 100 into 0 means what? 0. 150 into 0 means what? 0. 200 into here what we write? 2 into 100. 2 into 100 into 0.25 can write. 125 means what? Here 100 into 0.5 means what? Simply 2 into 25. That's why I'm writing here 2 into 25 root 3. Then here I'm writing YCM is equals to here by 450. 2 into 25 50. 50 root 3 by 450. 0 cancel. So 5 by 45 root 3. 5 1s are 5 9s are. Then YCM is equals to what? Root 3 by 9. So it should be written as root 3 by 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Then YCM is equals to what, right? Root 3. How we can write? Root 3 into root 3 means what? We can write 3 like that. Here YCM is equals to 1 by, simply it is what, right? 3 root 3. YCM is what? 1 by root 3. 3 root 3. So therefore center of mass, what, children? Therefore center of mass XCM comma YCM is 5 by 18 comma 1 by 3 root 3. This is the center of mass of 3 particles in case of equilateral triangle. So dear students, I hope that you can understand this one. If you can understood this one, like, share, comment the video and subscribe our channel to get all the notifications. Thank you for watching.